Hello, how are you? Nice, thank you. Kende koala mngaro. Hello, Mambo. My name is Makamugenda. I have a YouTube channel. Follow, subscribe, watch.
Okay.
Thank you.
The name?
Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K-S Mugenda. Makamugenda. This is a Nyatiti vibe. Yeah. Hello. Just take it slowly. Guys, thank you so much. Keep on watching Makamugenda. This is a session, we call it Nyatiti vibe. So those people, they're just coming from the river Congo. I remember this is a Nyatiti vibe. Here in Congo, Diani, with Makamugenda. I'll give you all this vibe every day. Keep on watching Makamugenda. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Makamugenda. I have a YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel kindly. It's called Makamugenda. Yeah. I can sing for you. What's your name? Tabitha. I have decided to sing to Tabitha. Yeah, Tabitha more beauty, the lady more beauty, Tabitha more beauty, without makeup. Yeah. First time I see Madam Tabitha, nilidhani ni Mrwanda, yeah, kumbe ni Mkenya. Sura inaweza, sura ni ya dhao, hadi anaga dimples. Champon. I wish I see your mother Tabitha. Niyawa ulolo, Tabitha ulolo. Remember, Tabitha was created. Tabitha was not born. Ulolo, Tabitha, yeah, Tabitha. akona ile sura ya tao. I gonna sing Tabitha, Bida Walolo, Tabitha Walolo, Jambo. Thank you.
Thank you. So is this your play?
This woman is called Nyatiti.
Oh, you are recording me? You are live?
I was live.
Oh wow! So what's your page? Is it on TikTok or where?
It's on YouTube. That's my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube handle?
Makamugenda.
Oh, so I'm gonna trend right now. I'm joking. Be nice.
Tumeshakuwa dark side.
Because I saw you